integrate 2x minus 1 times e to the 2x squared minus 2x. Usually, we let u be the exponent of the exponential expression. So in this case, we will attempt to let u be 2x squared minus 2x. Then du is 4x minus 2 dx. And therefore, dx equals du over 4x minus 2. We will replace dx with du over 4x minus 2, and we will also replace 2x squared minus 2x with u. And so we will rewrite the integral as 2x minus 1 e to the u, and then dx is now du over 4x minus 2. In order to evaluate the integral, we will have to need all of these in terms of u. There is a factor of 2x minus 1, and there is a factor of 4x minus 2, and we need them to be either disappeared or simplified. But observe that 4x minus 2 is 2 times 2x minus 1. We then rewrite this integral as the integral of 2x minus 1 times e to the u times du over 2 times 2x minus 1. And the 2x minus 1 cancelled out, leaving us with a very simple integral, 1/2 the integral of e to the u du. But the antiderivative of e to the u is e to the u. 1/2 is a constant multiple, so we would rewrite this. The antiderivative of e to the u is again e to the u plus c. There's no u in the given expression or integral, so we would do a back substitution. 1/2 e raised to the power 2x squared minus 2x plus c. And that is the final answer. For the second part, we will let u be whatever the expression that is being raised to a power. So in this case, u equals 5x to the fourth minus 4x to the fifth, only the expression inside the fifth power. Du is therefore 20x cubed, using the power rule for differentiation here, minus 4 times 5, 20x to the fourth, and then dx. We see that we can factor out the 20, so we will do that. 20 times the quantity x cubed minus x to the fourth dx, and this is du. Dx by itself is therefore du over 20 times x cubed minus x to the fourth. We will rewrite the given integral in terms of u only. The integral 2 times x cubed minus x to the fourth over 5x to the fourth minus 4x to the fifth is now u, and then it is being raised to the fifth power. Also, we will replace dx with du over 20 times x cubed minus x to the fourth. But then x cubed minus x to the fourth cancelled out. 2 over 20 is 1 over 10, which is a constant multiple, so we would rewrite it in the front of the integral sign. Inside, we end up with 1 over u to the fifth du. Rewrite 1 over u to the fifth as u to the negative 5. This is power. The antiderivative of u to the negative fifth power is u. We add 1, so the power is now negative 4. We divide by the new power right away. In the denominator, 10 times negative 4 is negative 40. And so the constant multiple is now negative 1 over 40. U raised to the negative 4 power plus c. But u is 5x to the fourth minus 4x to the fifth. If we want the answer in terms of positive exponent, then we rewrite it as negative 1 over 40, and then 5x to the fourth minus 4x to the fifth raised to the positive fourth power plus c.